Financial Guide fam, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's all too familiar to many of us, FOMO spending. You know, that sensation when you're scrolling through your social media feed, spot your friends flaunting their new purchases, and suddenly feel a pang of envy? You're tempted to whip out your credit card and join the spending spree, just so you don't feel left out. Well, you're not alone. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a common experience, especially in this digital age. But here's the kicker. It can be a silent wallet drainer, nibbling away at your hard-earned savings without you even realizing it. In the upcoming story, we'll introduce you to two characters who handle this situation very differently. But remember, just because your friends are splurging doesn't mean your wallet has to follow suit. It's okay to say no and keep your finances in check. Picture this. You're scrolling through your social media and you see your friends on an epic shopping spree. New clothes, fancy gadgets, the works. Now, let's step into the shoes of two individuals who handle this situation very differently. First up, we have Dave. Dave is a FOMO spending champ. Whenever he sees his friends flaunting their latest purchases, he feels compelled to keep up. He gets caught up in the whirlwind of consumerism, thinking he needs to have what everyone else has. This habit leaves Dave's wallet in a constant state of exhaustion, with his credit card bills piling up like a mountain that just keeps growing. Then there's Amy. Amy is the embodiment of financial responsibility. She sees the same posts Dave does, the shopping sprees, and the extravagant purchases. But instead of diving headfirst into debt, she takes a step back. She assesses her financial situation, her goals, and decides that she doesn't need to keep up with the spending habits of her friends. Amy knows that the pleasure derived from material possessions is fleeting. Instead, she focuses on her long-term financial goals. She saves for what truly matters to her and lives within her means. When her friends are out splurging, she confidently says, "I'll pass this time, guys." And guess what? Amy's financial health is in stellar shape. Amy knows that it's okay to say no when it doesn't align with her financial goals. And that, my friends, is a lesson we can all learn from. Why this matters to you? FOMO spending can seriously mess up your financial game. It's like playing a high-stakes game of poker, but with your hard-earned cash. You might find yourself deep in credit card debt or staring at an empty savings account. And let's be honest, that's not a fun ride, right? So how do we get off this financial roller coaster? The answer is mastering the art of saying no to FOMO spending. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. First off, set clear financial goals. Have a clear picture of what you're saving for. Could be a dream vacation, a new car, or simply a safety net for those unexpected life twists. When you've got your eyes on the prize, it's much easier to resist the urge to splurge. Next up, we've got budgeting. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Budgeting doesn't have to be a snooze fest. It's your money's mission statement. Allocate specific amounts for the essentials, savings, and, yes, even a little bit for fun. And when that buy now button starts calling your name, check your budget and ask yourself, is this in line with my goals? If the answer's no, well, it's time to pass on the purchase. Remember, you can still have fun with your friends without spending big bucks. Get creative. Host a movie night at home, have a picnic in the park, or organize a game night. You'll create awesome memories without breaking the bank. So, in a nutshell, don't let FOMO spending drain your wallet. Be the master of your own money, not a slave to the spending trends. Remember our friends Dave and Amy? Strive to be like Amy, who knows the power of saying no and keeping her finances in check. Set your financial goals, create a budget that works for you, and make choices that align with your financial well-being. Remember, you can still create fantastic memories with your friends without splashing the cash. Get creative, get frugal, and watch your savings grow. And trust me, your future self will be doing a happy dance. Now, if you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. How do you combat FOMO spending? We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, remember, it's okay to say no to FOMO spending, and you've got this.